In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offset a bill and an invoice in Xero. If you've ever found yourself needing to clear a transaction by offsetting certain bills or invoices, this guide is perfect for you. We'll walk through each step carefully, ensuring you have all the tips and context needed to perform this task smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin by navigating Xero's interface to find the right starting point. First, you'll want to focus your attention at the top of the screen, where you'll see several options. Locate and click on the Accounting tab. By doing so, you'll reveal a menu containing various features and options related to managing your finances. In this menu, look for and select Bank Accounts. This is where you can oversee and manage all the bank accounts you've connected to Xero, making this section pivotal for our process. Next, you'll be locating the specific bank account where the offset is meant to happen. Once you have identified the appropriate account, click on Reconcile. This step is crucial as it allows you to match your bank statement lines with your Xero transactions, ensuring your financial records are in perfect harmony with your bank's data. Once you're in the reconciliation section, pay attention to the transactions that appear. You will need to find the specific transaction that involves the offset payment. Next to this transaction, you will notice an option labeled Find and Match. Click on it, as this is where you will identify and match the transaction against the relevant bills or invoices. As you proceed, a list of invoices and bills will appear. Your task now is to carefully scan through and check the boxes next to those specific invoices or bills you wish to offset with the transaction. This part is critical. It ensures that you're accurately aligning the transaction with the correct financial documents, so take your time to ensure everything is correctly ticked. Having selected the appropriate invoices or bills, the final step is to simply click Reconcile. By doing this, you're confirming that the selected transaction accurately offsets the chosen invoices or bills, effectively balancing your financial records. And just like that, you've completed the process. You've learned how to effectively offset a bill and invoice in Xero, ensuring your financial data is both precise and up to date. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy accounting!